how to start earning passive income in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. That's what we're going to be talking about today. If you've ever thought, I'm too late, I'm not techie enough, or maybe I missed the window, then I want you to stick with me here because by the end of this video, you'll understand why 2026 might actually be the best time to start earning online. I'll be sharing with you a simple blueprint that allows you to learn and earn at the same time without overwhelm. So make sure to stay tuned to what's coming up next. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been exactly where you're at, wanting more time and more income without the overwhelm. I spent a lifetime chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some gave me success and some left me financially stressed, but I never have regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed to earn extra income, not just to survive, but to start building my future retirement, digital marketing landed in my lap. I had no experience, no tech background, and no clue how it all worked. But I was willing to take a chance and follow a proven system. And what happened next changed everything for me. And I'll tell you exactly what that was because it's the same opportunity that's available to you right now. Let me ask you honestly, do you want to keep trading your time for money? Or do you want income that keeps working for you even when you're not? Passive income in 2026 isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Costs are rising, retirement looks different than it used to, and more people are realizing that one income stream is just not enough anymore. The mistake most beginners make is thinking that passive income requires doing nothing. It doesn't. It means doing the work right once, setting it up properly, and letting systems do the heavy lifting. And the good news, you don't need a product idea, a website, or a giant following to get started. There are proven systems designed especially for beginners, and I'll show you how that works next. Thinking this makes sense, but you want to see how it all fits together? Then download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. Here's something no one tells you. Starting from zero is actually better than starting with experience because you don't have old habits to unlearn. I didn't come into this knowing anything about digital marketing. I didn't know what funnels were or automation or even social media marketing. I came in willing to learn, and that made all the difference. Today, there are step-by-step blueprints that tell you exactly what to do, in what order, and why it works. You're not guessing. You're not just throwing things at the wall. You're following a proven path that's already worked for thousands of people. And once you understand the process, something shifts because passive income isn't about being lucky. It's about being aligned with the right system. Ready to learn more about how this all fits together? Grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. One of the biggest fears people have is that they don't know enough. But here's the truth. You don't need to know everything before you begin. In this model, you learn and earn as you go, and I just love that. You start with a high demand digital product that already solves a real problem. You don't create it, you don't manage inventory, you simply learn how to share it authentically. As you build confidence, your income grows alongside your skills. And that's powerful because you're not stuck in an endless learning mode without results. My first $600 to $1,200 in this business came in when I felt like I didn't know what I was doing, but I was following a simple plan and the income came in as I was learning. And this can happen for you too. I remember the moment I realized, wait, this is actually working. Income was coming in, and I felt like I didn't know what I was doing, but I was following the simple, proven system step by step, learning and earning as I went. And I want you to experience the same moment because when you do, everything changes. Need a clearer picture of how this all fits together? Then download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's totally free, and it's the exact guide I used when I got started. This next piece is where passive income truly begins. Automation is the secret most people miss. Automation allows your business to run even when you're offline, while you're sleeping, while you're traveling, or when you're out living your life. Instead of answering the same questions over and over, the systems do the work for you. Instead of chasing people, attraction marketing brings people to you. And no, you don't need to be tech savvy. The systems are already built. You simply plug in, follow the training, and focus on consistency. This is where most people give up, right before it starts working. And I tell you how to avoid this mistake in the next part. Want to see how this all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed to go from zero to earning online. No one builds passive income alone, and anyone that tells you differently is leaving out this part. Support, mentorship, and community shorten the learning curve dramatically. When you surround yourself by other people who are doing what you're doing, confidence grows faster, doubt shrinks, and progress is inevitable. This is why I created my Digital Success Club, a place for guidance, encouragement, training, and real connection. You don't have to figure it out yourself. Here's my question for you. What would change in your life if you finally believed this was possible for you? Let me know in the comments. I read and respond to every single comment. Join my Digital Success Club today. The link is below. If 2026 feels like a turning point for you, trust your intuition. Passive income isn't about working harder. It's about choosing smarter systems and believing you're worthy of more. And if you're ready for guidance, confidence, and a proven path forward, you'll find your next step right below this video. Now that you know how to start earning passive income in 2026, even if you're starting from zero, you might want to learn how I make 3K months selling digital products with no ads. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's coming next, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.